Stretching your legs can help improve your flexibility, reduce your risk of injury, and relieve soreness. There are a lot of easy leg stretches you can try in order to stretch different muscles in your legs. To stretch your quadriceps, or the muscles on the fronts of your thighs, lift your right leg, bend your knee so your foot is behind you, and grab your right foot with your left hand behind your back. Hold for 30 seconds, then repeat with your other leg. To stretch your hamstrings, or the muscles on the backs of your thighs, sit on the floor with your legs extended out in front of you. Then, gently lean forward while keeping your back straight. Hold for 30 seconds. To stretch your calves, or the muscles on the backs of your lower legs, step forward with one leg, then shift your weight forward while keeping your back heel planted on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds, then repeat with your other leg. Do each of these stretches 2 to 4 times. Try to stretch your legs at least 2 to 3 days per week. It's always best to stretch your muscles when they're warmed up, so go for a 5 to 10 minute walk before you get started.